Although I wasn't a big critic of meditation, but my critical mind would question me from time to time about the practice of meditation. The first hurdle was that I wasn't clear about the outcome. The second thing was that I was prejudging people who were meditating. And the third thing was that I didn't know the connection to my real, normal life or activities. In this video, I will go over how I overcame all these three hurdles, the lessons that I learned, and also what to do if you have questions or skepticism about your meditation practice. As far as the first hurdle, which is not seeing the results right away, is because we are living in an age of instant gratification. We want everything easy, fast, and now. If we can pay for it, we will do everything to pay for it and then solve our problems right away, the easy way. But meditation, of course, is not one of them. You cannot pay for it, you cannot buy it, and yes, the result or the outcome is not clear right away. The way I got over this hurdle was that I reminded myself that meditation is an ancient practice, and without a worthwhile reward, it could not have survived for all these many centuries. Plus, there are scientific studies that prove it works on so many levels. So, despite my skepticism, I continued to practice meditation, and I'm glad I did. The lesson that I learned here through meditation was to surrender and to go with the flow. Now I believe that slow and steady will take you much faster to your end zone or end goal. The second hurdle that scared me sometimes from moving forward on the path was prejudging people who meditated. All I could think of was motionless men who were sitting on a mountaintop or in a cave or in a forest somewhere, or someone who was detached from all worldly affairs and sitting in a quiet corner living their life. That really scared me because I really didn't want to be like that. Now I know that I was prematurely judging people and what they practiced. I don't look any different from what I was in the past. But the lesson that I learned here through meditation was to lose judgment. This lesson doesn't come easy, but when it comes, it is liberating because it is not about the other people, who they are, what they're doing, but it is about myself, that I was the one who was seeing things from a narrow tunnel, or I had a tunnel vision and looking things from a very narrow point of view. The third hurdle that I overcame was the fact that I did not see any practical application of meditation to my normal, routine, regular life. I was asking myself, how can I be better with my relationships? How is it going to help me with my business decisions? How it will help me really be successful in life? Now, thinking of how successful I am, I have to look back of where I came from, and how I ended up living here is beyond my wildest dreams. So how does a refugee from Afghanistan ends up to live in the middle of Pacific Ocean in the most beautiful and the most celebrity-filled neighborhood? Believe me, I did not follow or chase celebrities, but I followed my own dreams. All I know that I used one lesson of meditation, and that was to let go. I let go of my country, I let go of my language, I let go of my community, I let go of my family, I let go of my attachments, I let go of my possessions, I let go of my control, I let go of my fears, and the list goes on and on and on. Every time I let go of something, I gained something that got me closer to where I am. Now, this has turned into a belief that if I let go of something, I will get one step closer to whatever it is that I want to achieve in the future, or towards the dream life that I have for the future. This is a huge, successful, and blissful life to stop, reflect, and pat myself in the back and give all the credit to myself. But I honestly don't know how it happened. This is the power meditation that I did not know how it applied to my life. It is very similar to when I plant a seed and my intention is to get a flower. So I work on it a little bit and then I see the seed grow little by little every day. I can see the progress, I can see the growth, but I don't know how it's happening. All I know is that I had an intention to get a flower. And that's what I got. Meditation works just like that. You give it an intention, and then it will make it possible for you with the flow, while putting your logic and reasoning at a holiday. Here's my recommendation. If you think of all the excuses that you don't have time, that meditation is not for you, that meditation is a waste of time, despite all of your skepticism, continue to practice your meditation because very soon you're going to prove it to yourself that living your dream life, the life that your heart really wants, is not a dream away, but it is within reach. Meditation does not require extra time. Meditation is not stopping your thoughts, and meditation is not as scary as you think it is. I hope this helped you overcome your personal skepticism. But what if you have a fear of what other people think about you when they see you meditate? So, watch this next video in which I talk about how to overcome your social skepticism about meditation, and I will see you there.